Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Umberto Gianni has kindly gifted me PR. The brand kindly reached out to me and offered to send me some PR, and they sent me 3 things which I didn't expect. They sent me the curl activating mousse. They also sent me the scrunching jelly, and they also kindly gifted me their twirling and styling curl cream, which I'm so excited to use all 3 of these products. I've already took my hair out, and as you can see, I've used a spray bottle to kind of rinse out what I just had in my hair so that I can then use the products in mine. It's like a nice little rinse here. And don't mind the mess on the floor, I'm just sorting out all my holiday stuff that I have bought for my upcoming holiday. Okay, so I've just sprayed both sides of my hair, but I'm just tied this one back just so that I can make a start on this side of my hair. I would go in with the defining curl cream first in my hair. I thought it would have had a smell, but it just smells like Nivea. Hey guys, so I'm currently filming this side for TikTok. I'm gonna film this side on video, but I've only used the Define Curl Cream, and look how it's made my hair look. And I've only like detangled and brushed this side out with it. Look at it. Guys, I've never had a product do this to my hair before. Can you see the difference? Look at the difference in this that's not been like detangled, and then the difference in this being detangled. Okay guys, wow is all I have to say. This is my hair after using all 3 of Umberto Gianni's products in my hair. I'm yet to find a product that stops hair shrinkage, but I mean, guys, I'm looking in my mirror and I'm like, is this even my curls? Like, okay, now I'm gonna add this into this side of my hair. I'm just gonna use my knuckles because I don't want it to get under my nails. If you have curly hair, you literally know how stressful it is to brush your hair, especially when your hair's long. My arm is aching. Fully detangled now. I just hate how my hair shrinks. I'm gonna add this because that's the way I did it on this side. I don't know if there's like steps in like what order you're meant to actually put it in, but I'm not gonna put too much because this seems to expand. Look, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies. Okay. I still think that's too much, but here goes nothing. Oh, hello, darling. Look how cute she is. What is wrong with me? What is actually wrong with me? Okay, and now I'm gonna add scrunching jelly, but not too much. This is enough. Raking it through evenly, you got to distribute it. Okay guys, and this is my hair using Umberto Gianni. I don't know if I'm saying it right at all, but this is what all 3 of these hair products have done to my hair, and I'm not gonna lie guys, I absolutely love it. I am so grateful that I have the opportunity to get this as PR and try it out. And guys, I must say, look how beautiful my curls are. Like, who is she? Sorry, but thank you so much to Umberto Gianni for sending me this PR package. Your products are amazing, and I think my hair goes to show for how well your products are. And Yeah, thank you. And I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next Friday.